Hi there, it's Monday, first trading week of June. London and the city going about its business as usual today, mindful though, of course, of the dreadful attack which took place on Saturday night in Borough, right on the edges of the Square Mile. It's also election week and all the parties carrying on with their campaigns, united in refusing to allow these terror attacks to upset the process of the election. So the FTSE 100 trading lower as we head towards Thursday's voting. Earlier it was down about 0.25% at 7,529. Now my stock in focus today is insurance powerhouse Direct Line. The shares have been fairly choppy over the last year, up and down like a yo-yo really, but the dividend is looking quite attractive given the current price. Now according to financial website Morningstar, Direct Line's current estimated dividend yield is about 6.5%. Not bad at all. The company's shares, well, they're trading lower by about 1/5% today at £3.46. Now, I like the way Direct Line has diversified itself away from its traditional car and home insurance products, but also still does those, but also does van insurance, business insurance, landlord, travel, even pet insurance. I think it's a well-run company, and purely for the dividend, I think it's worth going to take a look at. And let me know whether you think it's a worthy addition to an investment portfolio. Finally, big boss time, and he's back, the undisputed fat cat of my rogues gallery. It's been reported that Philip Green has invested £100 million in his Topshop, Burton and Miss Selfridge brands over the last year after his holding company, Tavita Investments, saw its profits fall by 16%. But much more worrying to me is the fact that the company's pension fund apparently has a £1 billion hole in it. Now, hang on, did we not just go through all this last year with the pension fund of the collapsed retailer BHS that Green used to own? It's incredible to me that a man with so much bad form in looking after the pensions of his staff and the financial futures of his employees should be allowed to continue to be in charge of other companies that now also have large holes in their pension funds. Now, Green and his wife are estimated to be worth around £3 billion together, so that could actually plug that pension fund hole today. It could be paid in full right now if these people were properly brought to account. And as far as I'm concerned, there really shouldn't be any hiding place, not Monaco where they live, not anywhere. If I was the pensions regulator, I would strip Green of his title, seize his assets at least to the value of the pension fund hole, and tell him and his family to sling their hook. That's it. No messing around. I'll see you tomorrow. Please do share, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter.